Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make NBA in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we're gonna need earth plus water to create plant, and then once you have plant, the next thing is you want to add water again to create swamp, and then you want to go for another plant right here and then add wind into that plant to create dandelion, and then combine it with swamp. You now have frog. So now once you have frog, the next thing is you want to add wind into the frog to create prince. So now once you have prince, you want to go for prince right here and then add it to prince again to create king. Once you have king, the next thing is you want to go for plant and then another plant to create tree. Once you have tree, you want to go for water right here and then combine it with tree to create river. And then once you have river, you want to go for dandelion, and then you want to go for water with dandelion to create wine. And then once you have wine, the next thing is to go for water to create holy water with wine, and then combine it with river to create Jordan. Now you have Jordan. The next thing is you want to combine it with plant to create basketball. And now that you have basketball, you want to combine these two together to create LeBron. So now once you have LeBron, the next thing is just combine it with Jordan right here, and now you have NBA. So that is basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.